Motwani, Assistant Professor at Organising Charitable Trust, Thakur Institute of Hotel Management under Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, would like to welcome all of you back from the lunch session. We now would begin our felicitation ceremony of awarding various awards to students and faculty. First one is the best research topic that goes to Rakat Sini, and his topic was promotion and redevelopment of the tourism industry. Second award goes for best presentation to Vineet Paralkar for pre and post COVID-19 protocol followed in practice. Third award goes to the best woman researcher, that was Shilika Bhelor, for the use of sanitation procedures in the hospitality industry post COVID-19. Then the next award is best young researcher, that goes to Janvi Jadhav, and the topic was COVID-19 management in hotels and other accommodation sectors. The most innovative research topic award goes to Bernard D'Souza, and his topic was reinforced syndrome diagnosis. The best paper presentation award for faculty goes to Mr. Gaurav Salian, and his topic was post-COVID food and beverage industry. I would like to heartily congratulate all the students and faculty members for winning these awards. I would like to conclude the felicitation ceremony and would like to hand over the presentation to Ms. Nandini Roy. Thank you.
Mr. Chetan Motwani, what a way to handle and announce the awardees. Thank you so much, Chetan sir, for handling felicitation session effectively with the announcement of awardee items names with their different topics. Heartiest congratulations to all the awardees who have won the awards for the different categories presented on the different topics efficiently. Big congratulations to everyone. Without any delay, I would like to request and invite Mr. Ashish Bhivase, sir, Assistant Professor of Food and Beverage Subject and Coordinator of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management under Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, who would be addressing Valedictory for International E-Conference on Revival of Hospitality Industry post COVID-19 globally held today. Ashish sir, over to you.
Greetings of the day to one and all present. Respected Principal Dr. Sharad Phulari sir, our Honorable Resource Person, Chief Guest and Keynote Speaker, Professors, students, participants, attendees and all dignitaries as well as industry professionals, and all my dear students, parents and my colleagues. My heartiest welcome to all of you on behalf of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management under Gaurav Salian Charitable Trust, Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College over International Conference on topic of revival of hospitality industry post COVID-19 globally, conducted by our team members today on 28th of February 2022 Monday. Myself Ashish Bhivase, Coordinator of Hotel Management Department of ZSCT, Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, feel privileged to say a few words about revival of hospitality industry post COVID-19 globally and organizing this international e-conference. International level e-conference is a platform to bring forth the ideas, visions and propositions of researchers, professionals, academicians, students of the institute and the department, and detailed insight into the topic of discussions. The purpose of e-conference is to invite academicians, researchers, domain experts, bankers and industry experts to technical aspects along with evolution of an effective regulatory framework not only in India but globally. International conference is a conference where you can present your research paper and is held globally, and the researchers across the globe present their research papers and put forward their ideas. Journal papers are the research papers being published in journals as a hard copy, while the conference papers may be available online in their database. The conference is dedicated to discussing issues, exchanging ideas and views towards the advancements of theory and practices in the field of commerce and management. All technical sessions will predominantly be related to finance and economics, sales and marketing, human resource and general management. The objectives have been outlined as under. First, to provide a robust platform for expression of interest and cognitive thoughts and promote research among all the active participants in the conference. Secondly, to provide an opportunity to enhance the knowledge and skills required to solve business problems and to meet the challenges of dynamic decision making in changing business environment post COVID-19. Thirdly, to discuss the challenges of economic and business reforms post COVID-19. Last but not the least, to provide an opportunity to participants to upgrade their knowledge in the context of global business. You might agree with me that there is very little point in introducing new ways of handling conference and its method unless they lead to better understanding, learning and teaching. While attending the international conference, you all must have definitely be observing the innovation in planning, organizing, handling the conference with the vital role of each specialized department of hotel management, which was possible only because of guiding hand of our principal, Dr. Sharad Phulari sir. Also special thanks to Nandini Roy ma'am for executing this event in such an orderly manner. At results, we assure that we made appreciate our students as per various categories of research work and their presentation skills. Students of FI BSc Hospitality Studies and FI BA Culinary Arts, Het Ganatra, Gian Miranda, Janvi Jadhav, Rudra Chevulkar, Vratik Kini, Tanmay Satam, Branel D'Souza, Ruchi Dhatawkar, Shivika Gehlot, Swapnil Sahu, Jaden Fernandez, Tanay Parve, Vinit Paralkar and Yash Kochre, who did the research and case study on the respective topic and tremendously presented skillfully over here when they are just an undergraduate students. I definitely feel their job is highly appreciated. Now, our resource person chief guest Mr. Deepak Nair and keynote speaker Mr. Abhishek Jadhav have shared their experience and efficient knowledge today, which made this conference mesmerizing and uplifted the conference on great level. The conference started with the events like Welcome to India, Financial Capital of India, Mumbai, Thakur Education Group, Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, Thakur Institute of Hotel Management, as well as welcome of our industry experts as resource person. Then few tributes through National Anthem, Ishastavan, Maharashtra Geet, Mumbai University Song. Conference also continued later on with the inaugural address by respected principal of Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, addressed by our honorable resource persons as mentioned earlier. The conference added with paper presentation of Mr. Gaurav Salian, professor at Thakur Institute of Hotel Management. Not but the least, Bilal sir, Mohsina ma'am, Gaurav sir and Ashish Bhivase sir, entire team of TIHM did the marvelous job of taking this event ahead and keeping the continuity of it. The research paper presentation also awarded and announced in this conference by Chetan sir, a team member of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management. This is how we, Thakur Institute of Hotel Management team, organized and conducted the international e-conference today. Hope each one of you will not go with empty brain. I wish all must have got crucial information, knowledge, ideas from this e-conference. Now, I won't take much of your time and hand over the session to Nandini ma'am. Nandini ma'am, over to you.
It's a proud moment to all the team of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management who planned, organized the International E-Conference under the guidance of our dignified principal, Dr. Sharad Phulari sir. The inspiration, ideas, and thought of conducting International E-Conference is given by none other than our principal sir only. He is a moral support and iron pillar who always encourages us to stand without any fear of failure. The confidence and motivation built in us by Phulari sir only made us to execute and take this event at the level of the success. Thanking sir would be a very small gesture, but still will not leave the single opportunity to thank Dr. Sharad Phulari sir, a beloved principal of Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College. I would also like to appreciate our students of FIBC Hospitality Studies and Culinary Arts for giving melodious performance of singing national anthem and teachers for us. Our international e-conference would have been incomplete without our chief guest, Mr. Deepak Nair from Canada, and keynote speaker, Mr. Abhishek Jadhav from Team Toronto, Canada. The informative session gave us a great knowledge and tremendous experience that enlightened and expanded our revival of hospitality industry post COVID-19 globally. A big thank to Mr. Deepak Nair and Mr. Abhishek Jadhav for being here and giving us their valuable time for the session. Nevertheless, the students of the YBC Hospitality Studies made and well presented research paper on the respective topics in the first turning point of their career when they are just undergraduate. High level of appreciation they really deserve for the high level of excellence they have achieved in the research paper presentation. So, thank you and lots of congratulations to all the students and winners for the best presentation. It's also a privilege to thank Mr. Gaurav Gaurav sir, Ashish Bhivase sir, Chetan sir, Mohsina ma'am sir, Bilal sir for giving support to take this event ahead. We cannot forget Mr. Ashish Nevgi, coordinator of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management and Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College. He was the director, the writer of this event, as the event cannot be successfully completed without him. So really feels immense pleasure to thank Mr. Nevgi, Professor of Food and Beverage Department in Hotel Management. Last but not least, I will not conclude the session until I say a few words for the delegates. The International E-Conference was organized for you, along with a few of you, supported by you, attended by you, and appraised by you. So big thank you to all the professors, instructors, lecturers, students, participants, attendees who helped us to take this event and conclude successfully. So thanks a lot, each one of you. Students, the feedback reading of the International E-Conference has been shared in the chat box and comment section. Kindly feel the same to receive your participation certificate. Before we end the session, I would like to give you the view of the Christmas celebration which was organized by FIBC Hospitality Students and Culinary Arts on 21st of December 2021. Let's have a glimpse of it. Enjoy. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep a social distance, and have a nice day. Thank you.
The bird machine. Check. Check. bird machine. Check.